What's up, guys? I got the little ones in the other room at my actual setup, so I just figured I'd come in here. I don't have anything to do a couple of random videos. I've been streaming video games on Twitch for about 10 years now, and I wanted to show you guys how to stream your iPad gameplay onto your MacBook screen. Basically just mirror it. It's 3 ways to do it. I did 2 shorts on a QuickTime Player way and just plugging it into the OBS, but I want to show you guys one of the better ways to do it. One of the best ways remotely with no wires is a software called Airserver you guys can use. So basically you want to type in Airserver in your browser, and this is the software right here. You can get a free trial for this and you can use it for about a week. That's what I recommend at first, and then it's like $20 lifetime. So first you want to get a hold of Airserver software, and you're going to download that onto your MacBook. There is a pro software for this that you can download onto your tablet. It's called Airserver Connect. You normally don't need that. If it's acting up every now and then it'll act funky, then you will download the Pro Connect Airserver software onto your tablet. But for the most part, you don't need that. If you just download this bad boy, you'll be fine. I'll put a link to it in the description. I'm not sponsored by anybody, obviously. I'm just trying to tell you guys what you can use to stream your gameplay onto OBS and possibly do some Twitch streams. Next, after you have downloaded Airserver, you just want to find it wherever you got it at. So for me, it's right here. So you're going to click on it right there, and then you'll see it pop up here. It won't be there until you click it. So once you see it up here in this toolbar, you know that it's active. After that, you just want to come over to your iPad, and you just got to activate it. Click on the little screen mirroring thing that all iPads got. Mine will be right here. You see the TV logo, the Apple TV logo. Robert's iPad Pro, and you got to wait a little bit, and then while the magic works, and boom, it's there. That's it. That's really it. While I'm at it, I'm gonna show you guys how to capture the window into your OBS. So when you open OBS, you're gonna go to your sources box right here. You're gonna click this plus sign. You click that plus sign, you're gonna go to Mac OS Screen Capture. In Mac OS Screen Capture, it's going to say create new. It's going to be highlighted, this text right here, so you can name it whatever you want. You're going to click OK because you're creating a new thing. And then when you go to this is your method right here. So this is like whatever you want this particular window you just opened to do. So you want to go to Window Capture. When you go to Window Capture, you should see Airserver right here. Robert's iPad Pro. That's what Airserver is capturing. And bam, it's right on the screen. Now you're good to go. You can fiddle with all the other stuff that you want to add to your OBS, but this is just a quick video to show you how to capture your gameplay that will allow you to stream on Twitch. You can record videos on YouTube, whatever you want to do. OBS broadcasting software is the way. That's it. I'm out.